Hello all, uh, this is Dr. Ishaq Yusuf Maina. I think our fourth lesson on basic Python, and today we are on multiplication operation to be precise. Uh, unlike in math, the asterisk or the star sign is what we use for multiplication in Python and most other programming languages. In fact, all the programming languages that I know use the asterisk or the star sign to perform multiplication. But in math class, we learn it that we shall use the cross sign to represent multiplication or the multiplication operator. This is not true in programming. In programming, we use the asterisk or the star sign to represent multiplicator. So in case you are used to that usage of cross sign to perform multiplication, please unlearn that and relearn that the star sign is also used to perform multiplication. Okay, so let's look at examples of how this is done in actual coding. And this is the example. Example 1, 2, asterisk 3. That is how it shall be written, but it shall be understood and read as 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. Example 3, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so now as usual, let's look at exercises. The exercise says fill in the blank spaces. 1. 7 times 2. Please write the output, the correct output. 8 times 2. Write the correct output, And exercise 3. 4 times 10. Write the correct outputs, be it in comment section or anywhere. Write it. You can even write it in your mind, but it is very, very important for you to be carrying out the exercises, because coding, as I used to say, is an active field. It cannot be learned by passive means. It can only be learned effectively through active learning by doing. Okay, thank you.